What's up, fam? It's been a minute since I've been here. I'm not even gonna waste my time over here. Everything's already been looked through. Let's see what else they have. Alright, so as you can see, they have the new Jurassic Park set. Here's a 2010 Texatron Tiger. And here's the Speed Striker. Pretty cool bike. Here's a Mercedes-Benz Unimog. Pretty cool. And here's another 2010 Texatron Tiger. Unimog. And here's a cool 4x4 Scrambler. Here's this one. This one's more on the premium side. So, yeah, let me put these back. I'm not interested in any of this, but I like to show collectors what's out there. Here's some 9-packs. We've seen all of these. Same rotations. A new wave of Matchbox is supposed to be hitting. So here's this cool Polaris. Ooh, check out this 2016 Nissan Sentra. Nice. Here's the Road Roller. I think you've seen that. Yeah, a lot of these castings are mixed in, old with new. That's to be expected though. Oh, this is part of the new mix, the Audi e-tron. Here's the 2019 VW Beetle convertible. Alright guys, let's see what else they have. Looks like it's pretty much the same rotation here. So I'll pick that up in a second. Here's another 2016 Nissan Sentra. e-tron. Oh, take a look at this one, guys. 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Definitely gonna take that one. There's another one for the Audi 70th anniversary 1964 Dodge Charger. I already picked this one up a while ago. Here's this cool construction vehicle. Another Nissan Sentra. Here's this 2016 Dodge Charger in black. The last one was in purple. Gonna take that one. Tesla Roadster. This car is beautiful. Definitely gonna take that one. And that's pretty much it. Moving parts. We've seen all of this. Here's the 1956 Morris Minor. Someone dropped a comment a video or two ago saying that this is a limited edition, and I could see why. However, I'm not very fond about this casting, so I'm gonna leave it here for somebody else to enjoy it. It's the same rotation. So this is what I'm taking thus far: the 2018 Dodge Charger, the Tesla Roadster, the 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT, and the 2016 Nissan Sentra. So let's move it along. There's some adventure for us. Some new monster trucks. Mercedes-Benz Unimog. This one's actually pretty cool. Superbird Diecast would love this one. He's a huge Carbonator fan. It is pretty cool, but it's not my thing. And let's take a look at this one back here. Radical Racer. Pretty nice. The Night Shifter. This one's actually pretty cool. And we've seen these before. Again, a lot of this stuff is mixed in with some old stuff. See, here's Skeletor. Here's a cool Race Ace with the Hot Wheels Race Team livery. This is pretty cool. That one is nice. But let's stay in here. And here we have the Gotta Dump. It's got a funny name, but it's cool. Let's see what we got down here. Land Rover. Down here we have the Meta Rex. And over here we have the Ford Raptor. This was a huge highlight for 2022. A very cool looking monster truck. I already have it. Here's another one. And yeah, it's pretty much the same rotation here, guys. Oh, hold on. Here's this one, the Godzilla. And let's see if there's anything else I could show you guys. That is pretty much it. All right, let me put these back. All right, guys, everything is back on the pegs. Let's keep on looking over here. Bunch of character cars. We've seen all of this before. Ooh, check this out, guys. We have the brand new Track Day Diorama set. So this comes with the Euro Hauler, the 1984 Audi Sport Quattro, the Lamborghini Essenza, and the Sauber Mercedes C9. Let's take a closer look. Very, very good looking cars. All right, guys, so let's keep on looking. So let's keep on going. Let's move this stuff to the side here. And here we have some M2s. Take a load of this, guys. That. Oh yes, take a look at this. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And here's this one. And here's this cool Datsun. All right, let's take a look at these trucks here. Pick that up in a sec. 1956 Ford F100 pickup. That one's nice. Here's the 1993 Ford F250 Bigfoot. Different livery. It looks very cool. Ooh, nice. Here's another cool one, guys. 1983 Dodge Ram. Nice color, nice livery. Back to the Future. Nice. Take a look at this, guys. 1964 Dodge 330 Tribute and the 1971 Dodge Demon GSS. This is very cool, but I'm gonna pass on it for now. Let's see here. Some green light. Ford Taurus. Some more Johnny Lightning. This one's pretty cool. 1951 Hudson Hornet. That's another one. There's three of them. Here's the A100. There's a 1970 Ford Torino. Another one. This one is nice. 1967 Chevy Chevelle SS 396. Pretty cool. 1970 Chevy Camaro. Oh, nice. Take a look at this one, guys. Here's the 1967 Dodge A100 panel van. This one has the Mopar livery on it, so pretty cool. Oh, nice. Check this out, guys. The 1961 VW double cab truck. This one has the Axle livery on it. Love the colors on this thing. You can't go wrong with black and yellow, guys. And here are the customizable wheels. Very cool. Back there, there's another Mopar van. And let's put this back. Here are some Harley Davidson motorcycles. Check this out. Mustang Hunter's gonna love this. I think he already picked this up. I think I remember seeing this in one of his videos. So there is that. Let's take a look down here. Oh, check this out, guys. This is so cool. 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda with a NHRA livery on it. This one is really cool, man. And check this out, guys. 1957 Chevrolet 210 hardtop. This one has the Axle livery on it. This is sweet, man. Too bad they take up too much space. That is pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna pick up my mess and I'm gonna move on to the next store. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Looks like they just put them out. So wish me luck, guys. Hopefully find the Super. Let's see. We are working with F-Case. Alright, I'll pick that up in a bit. Don't mind taking one of these. This Diorama Veloce looks cool in this color. Definitely gonna take one of these. I already picked this one up. Don't mind getting another one of these. Camaro. Put this down to make it easier. And I'll just shift these over. Nice. Subi. Nissan Patrol Custom. 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Pretty cool. Porsche. I got these. Let's see. Lotus Emira. Let's see here. Let's bring these down. 75 Honda Civic Custom. Oops, classic TV Batmobile. 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. 70s van. Not gonna look from the side. Let's see, 1986 Ford Thunder Pro stock. Pretty cool. Nice. The Renault Sport RS01. Not the Supra, unfortunately. Let's keep looking, guys. Ford Escort RS2000. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Let's see here. (1956) Mazda Cosmo Sprint. Surfing turf. There's no Diecast here. Alright guys, yeah, unfortunately no dice on the Super. Alright guys, let me make a brief pause. I'm gonna pick up my mess. I'll be right back. Alright guys, my apologies. So I'm back. So this is what I'm taking thus far. The Nissan Patrol Custom, Subaru STI, the LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15, the 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock, and the Diorama Veloce. Alright, let's see what else they have. Got some of these pop culture cars. These are nice. Woody. Simba. This one's pretty cool actually. It's very nice. So you have Alice in Wonderland, you have Simba, you have Woody, Mickey Mouse, and I forgot who this guy is. So, alright, let's put these back. I'm not taking any of these, although this hauler is pretty cool. And it's got some decent wheels on it, so I might take a couple of them just for the wheels. Alright, so I'm gonna leave them there for now. Let me go ahead and put them back. Toyota 2000 GT Roadster. You only live twice. They indirectly were trying to reference Twice Diecast. See how it says twice? That's for you, David. Let's see what else they have. Ooh, nice. Check this out. 23 Ford Mustang RTR, Spec 5, and the Aerolift. This is freaking badass, man. So the Aerolift cargo truck comes in a beautiful matte black. Check out that Mustang, guys. Jesus Christ. This is beautiful, man. Definitely gonna pick this one up. And here is the Nissan Silvia S13 and the Sakura Sprinter. Nice. Oh yeah, here is the 1980 Macho Power Wagon. and another Nissan Silvia, and that's an oldie right there. So definitely gonna take this one. Of course, the Skyline and the Mustang, which is the nicest one out of the three. All right, let's see what else they have. That is pretty much it, guys. So awesome scores. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.